In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for TikTok Go as a partner. First, make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. Generally, you'll need to be at least 18 years old and have the required number of followers to access monetization features. Next, open the TikTok Studio app and sign in to your account. Once you're in TikTok Studio, look for the Monetization Opportunities section. If your account is eligible, you'll see various programs available to join. From there, find and tap on the TikTok Go Partner Portal option. Once the portal opens, sign in if prompted and review the available information. If the program is available for your account, you'll see an option to join and start accessing travel-related campaigns and collaboration opportunities. If you're applying as a business, agency, or service partner, visit the TikTok Go Partner Portal and complete the registration process for organizations. If you don't see the TikTok Go option, your account may not currently meet the eligibility requirements, or the program may not be available in your region yet. And that's how you can sign up for TikTok Go as a partner. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.